Today we are going to look at June 2022 CXC Maths question 2A. However, this is a two-part question. Are you ready to learn? Factorize completely the following quadratic expression. So we have 5x squared minus 9x plus 4. So this is an expression because we don't have an equal sign. So I am going to factorize this problem. As you can see, we have a trinomial, so we have three terms. So let us label each term. So we can say the first term is A, second term is B, and the third term is C. So we know each term, right? Since we are going to factorize, I need to have four terms to factorize. So I am going to split the middle term into two terms. So we know that A is 5, B is negative 9, and C is positive 4. Right? So what I am going to do now is to multiply A times C. And that would be 4 times 5, or 5 times 4. And this would give me 20. So now I am going to list the factors of 20, right? So I'm going to use two factors of 20 together. When I multiply those factors, I should get 20. And when I add those factors, I should get negative 9. So these are the two factors that we can use to replace our B term. Right? So now I'm going to write 5x squared minus 5x minus 4x plus 4. So if you add negative 5x with negative 4x, you will get negative 9x. So now we have four terms, right? So now we can factorize. So let us bracket up this part, and I'm also going to bracket up over here as well. So now, what is the highest common factor here? Right? The highest common factor here would be 5x. So I'm going to factor out 5x. 5x into 5x squared give us x. I'm going to put the negative sign. 5x into 5x one time. Going to put back the minus sign. So what is the highest common factor here? Would be 4. So I'm going to factor out the 4. 4 into 4x give us x. Negative times positive give us negative. 4 into 4 one time. Right? So now we have two identical brackets. So I'm just going to rewrite one of the identical bracket, which is x minus 1. And then I'm going to put 5x minus 4 into the same bracket. And this is your answer, and this is 2 marks. Easy 2 marks. Right? So let us do part 2 of this problem. Hence, solve the following equation. So this is a follow-up question, right? So we have a quadratic equation down here, so, right? So if you look up here, you realize that up here, the first part, they give us only the expression. But down here now, they give us the quadratic equation, right? But given that we already solved the quadratic expression, we are going to use the result here to solve part 2 of this problem. Therefore, I am going to rewrite. X minus 1, and I'm also going to write 5x minus 4, right? So we're going to use the solution so we're going to use part 1 solution to solve this problem. So now we can write x minus 1 equal to 0, right? So we can say x equal, when you bring over a negative 1 over the equal sign, it becomes a positive 1. So now we can say x equal 1. So let us solve for the second bracket. So we can write 5x minus 4 equal to 0. Remember that quadratic equation equal to 0. Right? So we have 5x minus 4 equal to 0. So we can say 5x equal, we're going to bring the negative 4 over the equal sign, it becomes a positive 4. So we have a positive 4. So I'm going to, now we can rewrite 5x equal 4. Then we are going to divide both sides by 5. So this 5 cancel this 5. Therefore, x equal 4 over 5. Right? Now we can write x equal 1 and x also equal 4 over 5. So this is how we solve problem like this in CXC. Yeah, man. So this brings us to the end of another interesting and informative lesson. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Yeah, man. I am out.